Good evening everyone. Good evening ma'am. So this is how to simulate in the pit simulation. So first we're gonna type the pit simulation and you're gonna see this the pit simulation and click enter. We will use this pitcolorado.edu, and once we click this, so you have 5 choices to choose if you want chemistry, earth and space, or biology. So we're gonna choose the physics because it's with simulation. And here, and after we click the physics, we have a lot of choices here, including buoyancy, generator, and etc. So to student, we're gonna go to the below, and we gotta choose this pressure because it's so common, and we're gonna click this. And after we click this, we will go to this page, and so click the display this. I'm sorry for moving the camera. And after we click, here we are. We have marami tayong pagpipilian. So here in the screen, meron tayong makikitang fluid density here, and gravity, and pressure, roller, grid, and atmosphere. So are we going to use? We have metric, atmospheres, and English. So we're gonna use the metric system because it's the common for physics. And here we're gonna see a different kind of tanks. We have this, and this. So first, I'm gonna teach you what are the basics. So first, we can fill the water by pressing this. Look. So we can also reduce the water by pressing this. So look, the water is reduced, so we're gonna add some water. So we're gonna find out what is the pressures below. So we're gonna put this below, and the pressures is 130.637 kilopascals. And if we go higher, the pressure will reduce. If we go lower, the pressure will increase. And we can also put another pressure in the tank. The limits are 4. So 4 is, so 4 ang mailalagay dito sa tank. So magtatagalog na lang tayo kasi hindi pa ako fluent ng English. So that's how, yan kung paano mo ano yung pressure madidetermine by putting this clock or thermometer. So you can also put some ruler or grid, and so mag-grid na lang tayo para maano natin. So pag nilagay natin itong unang thermometer sa 3 meters, ang pressure na ay 130.637 kilopascal. And if maglalagay naman tayo dito sa 2 meters, ang pressure niya ay 120.98 kilopascal. So next is maglalagay na tayo sa 1 meter, and ang pressure niya ay 111.09 kilopascal. And dito naman, pag dito natin sa sa surface natin ilagay, ang kanyang pressure ay 101.325, which is that is the constant pressure in the surface or in the atmosphere. And makikita rin natin dito nga, as we go deeper, the pressure are increasing. So if aahon naman tayo, ang pressure ay magdi-decrease. And if papatayin natin ang atmosphere, ang pressure ay liliit kasi wala nga ang atmosphere. So ilan ang constant ng ilan ang constant pressure natin sa surface, which is 101.325. If i-on naman natin, babalik na yung kanyang pressure. So sa fluid density naman, may iba't ibang density. Ang density ng water ay 1,000 kilograms cubic meter. And itatry natin sa gasoline. So pag pupunta tayo sa gasoline, ang kanyang density ay nagiging 700 kilograms cubic meter. And so pressure ng gasoline ay iba, at iba rin ang pressure ng water. So dito naman tayo sa honey. Ang honey ay mas taas yung density level. Ang density level niya ay 1,420 kilograms cubic meter. So ito na. So in terms of density, mas malaki yung density ng honey at mas maliit naman yung gasoline. And ito, i-align muna natin. Ayaw malain. Align mo lang natin. So in terms of gravity naman, may iba't ibang density sa gravity. Yung gravity ng Earth is 9.8 meter second squared. So yung gravity ng Mars is 3.7 meter second squared. And sa Jupiter naman ay 24.9 meter second squared naman yung gravity niya. So pag 9.8, so ang 9.8 meter second squared is dito yan sa Earth. Pag pumunta tayo sa Mars, ang pressure ng Mars is liliit kasi lang yung gravity nila, 3.7 meter second squared. Liliit talaga kasi malaking factor yung gravity in terms of pressure. And sa Jupiter naman, tataas yung pressure because tumataas rin yung gravity. Is directly proportional kasi pagtataas yung gravity, tataas yung pressure. So balik na tayo sa Earth. So balik na natin tong thermometer. So dito naman tayo sa kabilang tank kasi malaking factor talaga ito. Tignan mo. So parehas lang to sa unang tank. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, iba't iba yung mga pressure in different level. Kung dito sa kung pagbababa tayo, pataas yung pressure. So in terms of volume naman is walang yung volume dito. Walang kahit ilang volume pa kung gaano pa kalaki yung tank mo, basta same lang kalalim, same lang yung pressure. So hindi nakakaapekto yung kalakihan ng tank sa pressure ng water. So kagaya lang din kanina, iba talaga yung density ng gasoline, water at honey. At sa gravity naman, iba't iba rin ang yung pressure pag nasa ibang planeta ka, Mars, Earth, and Jupiter. So, balik natin ulit to. And, punta tayo dito. First, lagay muna natin yung pressure. Dito. Dito. So, dito matatakil natin ang concept ng hindi pala. Pag ilalagay natin yung 250 kilograms, tataas yung pressure kasi nag-i-exert siya ng force yung 250 kilograms, which is maapektuhan yung water. So, tingnan natin ulit. Paglagay ko dito, tumaas yung pressure and tumaas rin yung water. Balik natin. Lagay natin ulit. Boom! Ayun, tumaas. Next. Ito, parehas naman to. Ilalagay natin sila pareho. Paglagay natin dyan, tumaas yung pressure. Kasi, itong mga object na to, yung kilograms force yan. Pag ilalagay natin dyan, para ka na umaapak ng butak. Paglagay natin, tumataas yung pressure. Kasi, nag-i-exert ka ng force sa tubig. Next, lagay natin yung 500 kilograms. Pressure, tumataas sila. Pag hindi natin maglagay, bababa rin yan. Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, iba't iba yung fluid density, gravity, iba't iba yung density ng iba't ibang solution. Gasoline, iba. Water, iba. Honey, iba. So, mas mataas yung density ng honey kaysa sa water and gasoline. At mababa naman yung density ng gasoline kaysa sa water and honey. And sa gravity naman, iba't iba talaga yung kanilang pressure in terms of gravity. Kasi pag nasa Mars ka, bababa yung pressure. Pag nasa Jupiter ka, tataas yung pressure. And next is this. Balik natin. So, ito ang pinaka-exciting na part. Which is, di natin alam kung ilan yung density niya. So, paglalagay tayo dito, tsaka dito. So, by seeing the pressure, yung nakikita nyo, magkano yung pressure. Ito, 120.25, iba't iba yung pressure nila as we go lower. So, yung gravity natin, nasa Earth tayo. So, i-guess nyo kung ano yung pressure. So, by seeing the color, yung color ng liquid, or yung fluid, which is orange. So, dito kanina sa unang tank, makikita natin yung honey is color. Density niya is 1,430. And so that's it guys. So, sana may matutunan kayo sa ating natin ngayon, which is under pressure. So, thank you and goodbye and good night.